Welcome back. Now news from sports. The credibility of Goan umpires has gone up on the national level. BCCI panel umpire Nitin Pai told Prudent that the umpires from rest of the country have begun to take note of Goan umpires. The BCCI panel umpire conducted a refreshers seminar on Sunday at the Goa Cricket Academy in Porvorim.
This is an excerpt of the seminar.
I understood side A and side B. Side B has reported late. They are batting first.
Side A is batting first.
The team which are present on the ground is batting first. Yes.
And match started at 9:45.
So, what is the scheduled closing time of the first session?
12:30.
You continue the game until the overs are completed.
That is what I know.
Nitin Pai gave a few details of the seminar.
Almost 10 years now I've been taking this seminar for every year. It's a pre-season, refresher for the already qualified umpires from the state panel. And the whole idea is I see that this particular seminar is held after my seminar in Nagpur. So BCCI does have their seminars every year in Nagpur. We have academy there in Nagpur. And on the basis of that, I try to inform my local umpires here the changes in the playing conditions.
What is the level of umpiring in terms of their errors that they make or their judgments that they make on the field?
You know, I have been asking so many senior umpires, and the report what I've gathered is they say the umpiring in Goa now is improving, and they are the expectations. It goes high and high. As the cricket goes, it has become so much commercial. So they want this camera to come in domestic level. But our Honorable President, Sri Dayanand Narvekar, as in this academy, you have seen all our T20 matches, all are covered. What happens is, suppose there is a call for run out or something, we refer to the third umpire. There is a provision here in academy. So same way, I want to make them understand when they should, what is the cut-off time for them to deliver the hand over the decision on field.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Sushant Pal from Porvorim.
Churchill Brothers defeated Kalangut Association by a solitary goal in the Kingfisher Goa Pro League on Saturday. ND Opera scored for the Warka-based side in the second half to ensure full points for his side.
Churchill Brothers Sports Club got their campaign back to winning ways thanks to an ND Opera goal with the Kalangut Association at the Bulleri grounds on Saturday. With this win, Churchill are in third place with 6 points. Here are a few highlights of the match. A reporter from the Lair, Shamsundar Fatte.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.